This video is the beginning of a series of honest long-term reviews video about the DJI FPV drone. So what is it going to look like? It will be mostly what people say about it versus what I say about it, because a lot of people have been talking about this drone without even testing it. And in this category of people, we had pure FPV pilots, those who started like back in the days, and new people. So I expect some feedback from you guys. It's like the purpose of these videos is not just to drop infos here and there. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. So let us refocus the debate. Like, these drones hypes has been like really big, and I think it was really big before and after it got released, and there were a lot of rumors. This is the drone that we've heard of the most amongst like all types of FPV drones, amongst all types of Mavic drones. We've heard like good things, bad things about it. I don't think I've heard a lot of people say a lot of good things about this drone, and sometimes I think that critics are not even justified. This product is not perfect, but in this series of videos, I just want to be fair about it. So if we look at the Google Trends, like I went to Google Trends and type FPV. I selected the year 2021, and you can definitely see that at the beginning of March, because as far as I can remember, this drone has been launched in March 1st. You can like definitely see that something has happened. I would not say it was not mainstream, but not a lot of people knew what it was. And I think the release of this DJI FPV, I would not say that it has put FPV hobby on the map, but a lot of people have heard about what it was about. So whether you like it or not, the DJI FPV is legitimate in this industry. So let us dive to the subject. I would say that purists like were already in the hobby say it's too fragile for a drone, and it's easy to break, and it's plasticky. I would definitely agree with them, because like the carbon fiber frame is like, it's more difficult to break it. You crash it, there's a big amount of chances that you break it. I mean, this is what they say, and in what they say, I'm not saying this is not true, but is it the same type of drone as those carbon fibers quads? Was it designed to do the same thing? I'm not saying I don't agree with them, but what I would have to add to what they say, keep in mind that it was like never created to be a freestyle drone, neither a freestyle drone nor a racing quad. Let me put it this way. To me, this drone could be an introduction to FPV drones. For people like me, I've tried to solder and I've tried to get interested in how it works, but I'm not interested in that. What I wanted to do is just pair the goggles, the remote controller with the quad, and start practicing in the sim. And not everyone is interested in building it. Better safe than sorry. I took the DJI Care refresh, but I think this is like another debate, because is it really useful or not? Maybe we'll discuss that in another video. Please note that if you did not register to the DJI Care refresh, like, there are plenty of PCs that are available on the internet on several retailers' websites. Remember that any drone would hit like the concrete or wall at 90 miles per hour or 140 kilometers per hour. Your quad it's over. It was not designed to be a racing or freestyle quad. To me, it's like an introduction to FPV. It's not designed to do the same thing. So that's all I have for today. Next week, we are going to talk about its price, what they say about it, what I say about it. Is it too expensive for what it is, or people are right about this DJI FPV drone being too fragile? So that's why I've created 2 videos about arm bracers. Go check them out. Cheers, and talk to you next week. Cheers. Bye.